Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to create or how to add a checkbox notes on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a checklist on your Google Keep on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, open your Google Keep, then click on this plus symbol. Here you can find options called image, drawing, list and text. Click on the list option. Now here you can find your list for an example, for a purchase or task or simply doing your work. For an example, I just need to complete my video editing, then about audio recording and script and a screenplay, like that. So you can just create your own list checklist here, and you can just after doing the work, you can have the title of this like video production, like that. So you can see the checklist here. So then you can just check it when you finish the work, and you can uncheck it whenever you just need it. Then you have a 3 dot option. So here you can find some advanced option about a checklist. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.